I made $12,000 on my HolaPrime 100K funded account, and today I'm going to be submitting that payout, and I'm going to be doing something a bit different this time. But let me break down the trade that got me that $12,000, risking 1%, by the way. So let me just head over to gold right here. This is the gold trade. So there was a 5-minute inefficiency. We can see gold was going down in the Asia range, and then over here, yes, we broke up above this high, but we started pushing down and we broke this low over here just near the end of Asia session end, and then we created this 5-minute inefficiency. Then when I looked to the left, I thought, okay, well, what's to the left? Why do I want to sell? Well, we had this Asia low down here that was unswept, so I was like, all right, cool, that's a nice target to aim for, and that's basically what I was targeting. And I was just looking for an entry, right? And then I saw this 5-minute inefficiency being created after breaking this low right here. Once we retraced into that 5-minute inefficiency, took my sell, placed my stop loss wherever I could, just to risk 1%. And the TP was simply at the low. And now normally I aim for like 10k profit or whatever, but it happened to be 12k. So I was like, oh, perfect, cool. I think this was actually a bit lower there. There we go. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. It was just a 5-minute inefficiency targeting this Asia low that was unswept, and then simply just taking the 5-minute inefficiency after we broke structure to the downside, and then just held the trade all throughout. And then I think what, like 12, and that's what, like 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like 5 hours later, boom, TP hit, 4 or 5 hours, whatever. Cool. That was a trade on my HolaPrime 100K account. So today, let's go submit the payout. Now, what I'm going to be doing different today is I'm going to be treating this account like a futures account. I've noticed that when I take out payouts from my futures accounts, that actually builds the account much more, and I actually get paid way more. Because if I take out the payout, I know leaving money in the account is very stupid. I've never done this. I never do this. But this time I'm just thinking, well, I've been doing that on futures all the time. Whenever you withdraw a payout, you withdraw the payout cap or something like that, and then the remaining profit is still in there, and that actually keeps me going and actually building the profit even more. And then by the time my next payout comes, I'm way ahead. But I've noticed every time I submit a payout, typically on CFD accounts, I blow the account in like the next payout. I struggle to survive 2 or 3 payouts on the same account. So what I'm thinking is treat it like a cash flow account, okay, like futures. And I've just noticed because I'm futures, I just get paid so much more and more consistently. So I'm going to be doing that today on my HolaPrime 100K CFD account. And you can, of course, use code ZAMCO to get the maximum discounts, obviously. So let me just go over to the payout area right here. Okay, so I'm on the payout area on my account, and then new payout request, yes. So I'm going to be doing crypto, and let's do like 5.2k or something. And we'll do ERC20, currency USDT. So we'll do USDT, and let me just add in my wallet address. All right, there we go. There's my wallet address put in, and then submit this payout. There we go. Boom. So now that's pending, and you can see that we have $5,200 right there. So another thing with HolaPrime is that they literally pay out within minutes, less than an hour. I believe they were audited by Deloitte, and literally it showed that 98% of all of their payouts, every single payout was audited, and 98% of them were paid in less than an hour. Now my last payout, which was this one right here, was paid within 15 minutes or something like that. Literally within like 15 minutes, I got a notification that I've already been paid. I was like, what? This is the first time I've ever had that. So let's see how long this takes. Currently it's 6:42 p.m. So we'll see how long it takes to receive the payout. And I've just got the email right now that my payout has been submitted. We can see, I don't know if you can see there, but that's pretty much the payout email received right there. So we'll see how long it takes to receive this payout. I'll see you when I receive it. Okay, so the time is literally 6:43. I don't know if you can see that. Let me focus it. Let me focus it. There we go. 6:43. You can see that. And let me just unlock it. And payout approved. Right there. I don't know if you can see that. But payout approved. Just like that. Within 2 minutes. 1 minute. 1 or 2 minutes. And there we go. That's been payout approved. Now we'll see how long it takes to receive in my wallet. So we'll just wait for the crypto transaction to come through. All right, but payout's been approved in like 2 minutes from submitting, so we'll see how long it takes to actually receive into my crypto wallet. Okay, so here it is. I don't know if you can see that, but at June 2nd, 6:45 p.m. So 6:41 or 6:42 was when we submitted the payout. 6:45 p.m. payout received. Right there. Look at that. There we go. You can see that. One sec. There we go. Literally 6:45 p.m. So 6:45. That's like what, 4 minutes, and I got paid. There it is in my wallet right there. That's HolaPrime for you. So that's twice now. I've been paid very quickly. The first one took like 15 minutes. Second one, 4 minutes. Literally less than 5 minutes. I submitted the payout and I've been paid. It's actually the fastest I've ever been paid by any prop firm. It's insane. So if you do want an account with HolaPrime, use code ZamCo, of course. Honestly, I'm gonna flip and rinse this firm. They're just paying out too quickly, and this is and also on top of that is 95% profit split. That's the one that I have. So again, 95% profit split, very easy rules, no payout denials. Just obviously don't breach your stupid rules, but literally it's insane. Honestly, I don't know why I haven't been trading with HolaPrime. Like, I missed out. I honestly missed out, but yeah, I'm gonna rinse them this year. Anyways, code ZamCo, get yourself an account with HolaPrime. See you in the next one.